Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Sony device. Firstly, open settings. Now you need to scroll down, select security, tap on screen lock and select one of those login methods by tapping on the one that you wish to set up, pattern, pin or password. Then you need to enter your login method, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Finally, select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications by tapping on one of those options. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!